Hello everyone, welcome to IGCSE Accounting. In this video, we will talk about trial balance. Today's agenda will introduce trial balance and explain what is revenue and some trial balance working example. First of all, trial balance is a list of balance from the double entry accounts. In my previous videos, we talk about a lot of examples of double entry. And all these double entry, actually, there is a balance carry. So it will carry to another stage, which is in the trial balance. In trial balance, there will be two columns, one debit, one credit. If everything is correct, no matter in your previous T account or transfer posting into trial balance is correct, these two columns, it should be balanced, which means totally the same amount. And the other thing before we look into the example, I would like to explain the definition of revenue. Revenue is the income generated by a business from its normal business activities, usually the sales of goods or services. Revenue may also refer to as a sales revenue, or turnover. Let's look at the example number 1, which is in page 73. The following balance are for Will. Will is a business owner. As at 31st of July 2018, prepare a trial balance. So this is the question, how it looks like. So you know that it says like this, means you have to draw a trial balance. Okay, let's have a look of this example. Let me go through with you one by one. So at the top there, okay, for the title of this trial balance will start with the company name. For this case, we use Will as a business owner, right? And then the title will be trial balance as at 31st of July. So you put the dates there. So business name, and then when is that happened? So you have to indicate that. And as you can see that there is two column placed there. Okay, there is two columns side by side, debit and credit. Put the symbol at the bottom, all right? And then after this, we will do the entry of it. Okay, the first entry, we are looking at the revenue. Okay, so revenue for how much? Revenue is for 49. Okay, revenue will always go to credit column. So this is the one, 49,000. And the next one will be purchase. This transfer from purchase ledger, right? Okay, purchase will be in the debit column. Then the next thing is trade receivable. If you're confused and not very sure where is it debit or credit, okay, just refer that trade receivable is an asset. That's why always in the debit side. So it's 750. Okay, all right, this is the 3, and let's look at the next one. Okay, the next thing that we are looking at is trade payables. All right, trade payables will be the other side, which is liability, 2980. And then the next one will be bank. Bank is asset, so of course in debit side, 3213. And the next is cash, 3131. All right. Okay, and the next one is wages. Wages is 6866. Okay, and now we continue to do other double entry. Expenses is actually in debit side also. All right, and next is equipment. So equipment. Equipment is 21. Equipment is an asset, that's why in the debit side too is 21,000, and followed by owner equity. Remember, owner equity is in the right, so it's in credit to 20,000. Okay, and lastly is rent received. So we receive income, it will be in the credit side. Okay, so it's 980. So let's try to do the total up for this. Let me see, it should be from B5 onwards. Yeah, okay, and then I copy and place here. Remember, we have to do the line top and bottom. Okay, I hope you can see that's the total. Okay, so total is 72,906, right? The total of these two columns will appear side by side, and if everything is correct, it should be the same. All right, this is the example of trial balance. Hope you all can see clearly how it looks like, and I will elaborate more examples, working examples, more in the next video. I see you